Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to boost your Android phone performance and update your Android phone system. So let's find out. Well, before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone settings. And here, open up my phone settings. Now, having opened up your phone settings, next thing you need to do is simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you look for system. So click on that. Then it's going to take you right there. Next thing you need to do is to click on system updates. Then it's going to take you right there. Here you have two options for the system update. You can either update online or local update. In this tutorial, I'm going to simply choose online update. Downloading via network may cause additional charges. Would you like to continue? Simply click on continue. Then it's going to take you right here. So it's going to take you right here. So at this point here, you'll be given the update version of your Android system. And the next thing you want to see here is update size, which is just about 475 megabytes. So what you need to do here, if you are in a battery saver mode, make sure you plug in your phone. So once you plug in the phone, then you'll be able to proceed with the system update. Make sure the system update is completely 100%. Once it's complete 100%, restart your phone system. After you restart your phone system, you will definitely experience improvement in the performance of your Android phone in terms of speed, in terms of efficiency and performance. That's simple. Just like what you see right here. So optimize system stability and performance while fixing other issues. This is just the new update that has been released. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to update your Android phone system without any stress. For more tutorial, tips and tricks about how best to use your Android, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.